So one of the big problems I have when I arrive in an RV spot after towing my Airstream is the cushions for the dinette are usually all over the floor. And even though they're Velcroed and they're Velcroed very well, for whatever reason, I guess the infrastructure of the roads makes everything come undone, and the dinette cushions are usually in the center of the floor. And so I've come up with a solution that I hope will work. What I did is I purchased a couple of items here. Number one is I got these 1/4 inch by 2.5 inch screw eyes, and I'm going to go ahead and install that. And then also I have a swivel eye bolt snap, 5/8 inch by 3 1/8 inch Everbuilt. So this is what they are, and they have like a little snap here. I have this rope from Home Depot, and I'm just going to go ahead and measure the amount of rope that I need and then go ahead and cut it. So I've measured the amount of rope that I need to make it pretty taut to keep the cushions in place. And so now I'll work on the ends to get the swivel eye bolt snaps on. I got a little sidetracked because there's some people staying here at the RV park, and they heard some commotion in my RV and wanted to know if I needed any assistance. Anyways, I'm going to go ahead and set up my working space here. I just put in the little plastic covers here to give me a little more counter space. And I have this 2x4 that I found in the trash, and I'm going to go ahead and use that to hopefully secure the rope with this swivel eye bolt snap so that it's like that. And I'm going to use a heavy duty hot knife to do that. And I purchased this at Harbor Freight, and I think it was under $20 or something. So go ahead and heat this up, and then so when you do this, you can see there's a lot of smoke coming up from the burning, so you want to make sure you're in a very well ventilated area. What I did is I just opened up the main hatch here, or the door to the RV, and I have a few windows open because it does create a lot of smoke to get that hot, and then just hold it together so that it adheres. And I press it like that so that it really makes a good contact. Then you just want to go ahead and let it go ahead and settle in and dry up, and we'll go ahead and do the other side. So I've already taken care of this this end here, so I'll just go ahead and put it into the solid little area, and then bend it over and go ahead and melt those two sides together. It does create quite a bit of smoke, so you gotta make sure it's very well ventilated, and then just hold that together. It is hot, so be careful. Looks pretty good on that side. And looks pretty good on this end. So now I'll go ahead and use this bit set that I got, which has come in very handy, and drill in the holes for the screw eye. So where I plan to put this screw eye is over here, and I'll screw it right into this box here. This 40-piece set that I purchased from one of the big box stores has actually been pretty helpful, because like for this project I'm going to be pre-drilling a hole and using this, so it was worth the $10 I paid for it. So this seems pretty good on this end. It's staying. You can see I melted it. So I'll go ahead and hook this one up. And this side looks pretty good as well. It's staying good. And that seemed to be the trick. As you can see, it's pretty tight there. Yeah, that isn't going anywhere. So I think I'm pretty happy with that. And we'll see how it does going down the road. Well, we'll keep you updated on the latest project, and thanks for watching.